Hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Hacking News series of VIEH Group. Today we have a lot of news and first news is very much amazing. You will really going to be a shocked. So let's start with the first news and I hope you've subscribed this channel so that you will get a daily news update on hacking news. The first news is very much interesting and this is something which is rarely very less people is going to focus on. So basically chat GPT-5 was easily bypassed. Yes, that's true. Red Teamers jailbroke chat GPT-5 within hours, right? It was released couple of days back, but again got jailbreak. So right now the produce this is going to produce dangerous content with indirect prompts, and right now the expert says it's not enterprise safe. So there's a lot of security professionals, security experts, top hackers just told me this is not ready for the enterprise use. So just do it wisely and we'll be checking up all the update what we have. So you can see after Grok 4 failed jailbreak 2 days, GPT-5 in 24 hours, same researchers separately, but almost simultaneously red teamer from SPLX form in knowledge. Nearly unstable and enterprises out of the box. So that is what we have. So enterprises SOC system is also being used. Okay, but how to use that you should learn, right? So you can check out this vihgroup.com/SOC so that you will be a part of SOC team and you can earn a lot of money. Now next news is coming from Google. So Google hacked. Yes, there is an internal Google Git repo. It was exposed publicly and it was containing API keys, token and sensitive code as well. So right now the leak attributed to misconfigured access, right? So you can see all the thing on GB hackers. Now next news is related to macOS malware. So there is a click fix macOS malware which was uh, masqueraded as a legitimate system tool and it was stealing password, cookies and crypto wallet, right? So again this was distributed as a cracked software site. Okay, so always what said don't download from crack, but people do and they got hacked. The next news is related to smart buses. Yes, right now smart buses is on boom. Right now there's a lot of countries those who are using smart buses. So smart but buses are hackable via free Wi-Fi. Yes, there's a default router password exploited and it was gained GPS and system access and possibly the route manipulation it was done in STMU Cheolin. Okay, so the finding were described from the DEFCON hacker. It was in Cheolin and all those things in 10 micro time. Yeah, that's great. Next news is related to Linux. So Linux kernel flaw. So there is a privilege escalation to full external control, which was affecting multiple kernel versions right now. And this was patched, released, update your system as soon as possible. It was said that critical Linux kernel vulnerability allow attackers gain full kernel level control and Chrome's sandbox. Now, next news related to Lenovo. I usually don't prefer a Windows laptop, but here's what we have. Lenovo Webcam bad USB attack. This was the topic of this news. So this was flew Let's hacker reflash webcam firmware. Lenovo webcam can be remotely exploited using this attack, right? So this can inject keystroke, a drop malware, and Linux issue a urgent firmware fix. So update your Linux system as soon as possible. It was on camera. These two webcam. Next news related to Windows DDoS, right? So domain controller, how many of you know what is domain controller? Just let me know in comment box. So there is a window DDoS flaw in domain controller. It was using LDAP referred to cause DDoS. No malware is needed and can also crash a blue server, right? This is the pop-up message. Now the last news is related to a phishing scam and AI. So AI powered Brazilian phishing scams is something that is on trend right now. The fake government site built with AI, IFM Trojan swaps crypto addresses a lot and 5,000 victims worldwide got victim. So that's what we have. I hope you learn SOC from here so that I can see you in the. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.